Hey guys, today we're tackling a common car issue that can really put a dampener on your day, a flat tire. Now, I know it can be really frustrating, and this is why I have decided to show you how to change the tire of your car. We've got you covered with a step-by-step guide to changing that pesky deflated tire and getting you back on the road. So let's jump right in. Now, first let me show you how you can identify the problem. Always look out for key signs which you otherwise would have ignored, such as when you hear and feel unusual vibrations accompanied by a loud noise, or your car's steering becomes unstable. Now that we have identified the problem, let's move on to what you should do when facing this issue. Here is a quick SOS. When you are faced with a wobbly steering wheel, pull over to the side of the road and take out the triangle from the trunk and keep it at some distance from the car to keep yourself and others safe. Also, don't forget to activate those hazard lights so everyone knows you need a helping hand. Basic tool requirement. And now, before we dive into the tire changing process, let's make sure we have the right tools for the job. Grab your stepney, a trusty jack, a jack handle, and a wheel spanner. Having these essentials ready will save your time. How to fix the problem? Step 1. Loosen the nuts on the affected wheel before positioning the jack underneath your car. Step 2. Position the jack. Place the jack under the frame of the vehicle, close to the flat tire. Ensure the jack is resting on a firm and stable area of the frame. Step 3. With the jack in place, carefully raise your car, creating enough space to swap out the tire. Step 4. With the vehicle slightly raised, remove the loosened lug nuts completely. Turn them counterclockwise until they come off. Step 5. Grasp the flat tire firmly with both hands and pull it straight towards you to remove it from the wheelbase. Set the tire aside, preferably on its side to prevent it from rolling away. Step 6. Take the spare tire and align it with the wheelbase. Push it firmly onto the wheelbase until it fits securely. Ensure the rim of the spare tire is centered correctly. Step 7. Begin threading the lug nuts back onto the wheel studs by hand, turning them clockwise. Once they are threaded on, use the lug wrench to tighten them as much as possible. Step 8. Double check that all lug nuts are tightened securely. Step 9. Now you can get your car off the jack. And you guys did it! Now here are some preventive measures. Measure 1. Regularly check the PSI pressure level of your tires according to your vehicle's specifications. It's all about keeping them properly inflated for a smoother ride. Measure 2. Keep an eye out for uneven tread wear. You can use a coin to identify any uneven tread wear. If you notice any, it could indicate alignment issues or other problems that might affect your steering. Stay proactive and address these concerns promptly. Well guys, that wraps up our guide on handling flat tires like a pro. Remember, safety is the key, so take your time and follow these steps carefully. Thanks for watching and keep those wheels rolling smoothly. Don't forget to share your thoughts and keep watching the space for more such content.